In this tutorial, we'll learn about the join prefix in Qlik. The join prefix joins the loaded table with an existing table, or with the last previously created table. The effect of joining is to extend the target table with new fields. Common field names are used to determine how rows align. This is called a natural join. There are 4 join types: left join, right join, inner join, and outer join. A left join keeps all rows from the target table and adds fields from the incoming table where matches are found. For example, let's load a changes table and a status table. Using a left join, all changes records remain and the matching status fields are added. The result is one single denormalized table combining both changes and status information. A right join is the opposite of left join. It keeps all rows from the incoming table and only matching rows from the target table. In this case, all rows from status remain, but only those with matching status ID in changes will carry data. Extra rows like obsolete stay, even if they have no corresponding change record. An inner join keeps only the records that exist in both tables. All others are discarded. Here, only 2 change IDs exist in both tables. The result is a smaller table with only those matches. An outer join keeps all records from both tables. If no match exists, missing values are filled with nulls. The result is a larger table that includes all rows from both datasets, with nulls where no match exists. If there are no common fields between 2 tables, the join becomes a cross join. Every row from one table combines with every row from the other. The outcome of a join is always a single merged table. Unlike keep, no separate tables remain. Every row from the first table combines with every row from the second table. This is a Cartesian product. And that concludes this video. Thanks for watching.